Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So you can see here that here we have kind of a services section, right? So let's see that how we have created it. So first, everything is inside a div with a class of container, as you already know. Then inside it we have a div with a class of row. Text center class is applied to make the text right at the center. As you can see here, this text is right at the center. Then these texts are center within the content domain. So hence I have applied it to the parent and it got inherited. Okay. Next, here you can see MT5. MT, it is margin top of 5 units. Okay, these are just for information purpose. I am telling you. Later on we will see these classes, but just for information I am telling you. MB for margin bottom. All right. Okay. So let's take a look at the structure. So first we have container. Inside it we have row. Next, inside the row we have H1. Which is services, which have a class of margin bottom of 5 units. For that you see a gap here. Next, here we have 6 services. Each are having a class of call-md-4. And yes, the icon that we have used, it is not font awesome icon. It is Bootstrap icons. Yes, friend, that's good news. Now you can use icons using Bootstrap only. Okay, that we will see, but again later on. So let's concentrate here. So these 6 services, I know that I didn't change the names. This is just for demo purpose. Here you can write web development, then graphics design, as you wish. You can mention it here. Then you can change the icons also. So not to worry. The main thing which I want you to understand is, see here we don't have any kind of breaks, right? For another row, we didn't write here like here. We didn't write div with a class of row, then again columns. So automatically when it increases 12 columns, it goes to the next line. See? The first 3, 4, 4, 4 comes 12, right? It becomes 12. Then again it is going to the next line. Now say for example, you have 5 services. Let me delete the last one. Press Ctrl S. Now let's open in browser. So say for example, you have 5 services. It is not looking that good, right? That at the top we have 3 and then we have 2 and here we have blank space. It is not looking that good. What you can do to make it look good? In this case, Bootstrap is really very handy. Yes, friend. Say for example, we want 2 services at the top and 3 at the bottom. Yeah, this is also another scenario. Say for example, at the top we want 2 services, then in the next line we want 3 services. What you can do? The thing is, Bootstrap has a really awesome class which is w-100. So here we have 2 services, right? After that, let's add a div with a class of w-100. That's it, guys. Let's close the div. That's it. Next, let's open in browser and see at the top we have 2 services. Then at the next line we have 3 services. But still it is not looking good. It is again kind of the previous scenario where we had 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom, right? You can say that hey Shupriya, what you were doing? We got stuck at the same situation only. Yeah. The thing is, now instead of call-md-4, we will have only div with a class of call. That's it. Now let me save it and Now let's open in browser and see. Remember, I told you that call class is for auto width conditions or auto width scenarios where we want contents to set their width automatically. Yes, friend. Okay, now it is looking kind of good, isn't it? Yeah. So here what we learned, here we learned two things. One is column breaks, right? Column breaks, and for that we need to use just a div with a class of w-100. And next, the use of only call class. Okay, so I told you, right, that layout using Bootstrap is really very easy, isn't it? Okay, so see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.